Hi, I'm Dave Young from CryptoVest.com and this is Crypto News Weekly, your 7-day roundup of what's going on in the world of cryptocurrency. For an investment of less than 5 minutes, you can stay on top of the game. If you want to keep ahead, subscribe. This week we have IBM wins $740 million Australian dollar contract for blockchain. Sichuan flooding slows Bitcoin network. India and Iran clamp down on cryptocurrencies. Pirate Bay starts browser crypto mining in secret. And Malta brings in crypto legal framework. Malta, which is desperately trying to position itself as blockchain island, has passed 3 key pieces of legislation this week to give the full legal framework for crypto-related businesses and distributed ledger technology. The country's Prime Minister was happily tweeting this week that he thought they would become the market leaders in the sector. And they've had successes. They've got Binance, the large Chinese exchange, coming. They've got Okex, the other exchange, and plenty more looking at the opportunity. Junior Finance Minister Silvio Schembri stated,
"Operators fear that one day a government in that particular legislation will tell them they aren't within the law, even though there are currently very few laws in place. This is creating legal uncertainty, and we wanted to change this."
Almost a year after CryptoVest first caught Pirate Bay secretly trialling crypto mining through users' browsers, it seems they've returned to the business model. Not surprisingly, as donations to the site over all time amounted to $1,750, advertising is pretty limited too. So what they've implemented is small JavaScript through the browser window that, without telling the user, secretly mines cryptocurrencies whilst the browser window is open. In a section, maybe we should call it the update on crypto legal wars. In India, the High Court appeal against the effective ban on all crypto-related businesses, which originated from the Central Bank of India, has failed. The ban, which came into place on July the 5th, led the leading exchange, ZebPay, to warn all users that needed to withdraw rupees to do it before the date, and since the date to remove all fiat to cryptocurrency pairs. You can still trade crypto to crypto though. In Iran, there have been reports of aggressive attempts to block internet access to international exchanges, crypto exchanges, after there's been a massive surge in the popularity as the economy collapses and the national currency spirals out of control. As parts of China suffer massive flooding, especially the Sichuan region, there's been reports that tens and thousands of mining rigs have been wiped out by floods irretrievably. The hash rate on Bitcoin at the end of the month dropped and everyone was quite worried and wondering what was going on. One agency, Golden Fleece, analysed the situation and concluded it was the machines being removed in the region by flooding. So as other miners struggle to make it pay economically, spare a thought for the poor Chinese miners who are literally struggling to keep their head above the water. US corporate giant IBM has won a $740 million Australian dollar contract to supply blockchain services to government departments and put in distributed ledger technology to safeguard citizens' data. The contract is said to bring savings of up to 100 million Australian dollars a year. Now, IBM will be looking carefully to improve their performance, because last time they had a similar contract like this was 2016. They got a little bit of a caning off the Prime Minister and they had to pay out $30 million in compensation. I'm Dave Young from CryptoVest.com. This was Crypto News Weekly. If you want to stay on top of what's going on in the news and the crypto world, you need to subscribe. I'll be back on early next week for the market analysis. Midweek we'll have the pick of the ICOs. Stay current, stay tuned, stay valid. If you're in China, stay dry. Till next time.